I was trying any part two no chance yeah minion Chris do Gambela maintaining can che well is here is looking very handsome Chris one cover on sharing table persons I don't connect table space I catch your cool time that's how he describes himself very interesting character no one no pay Kwame Abronya and Brown regional chairman of the ruling MPP so abeka nsa na di nkomo no ahihye so na onya man di e be chance me Chris Bobo na fe ya to to kama and come on, be the name and be the CDD Afro Barometer Survey and buy, vigilante groups are still active in Ghana. CDD Ghana report. Women playing roles in vigilantism. And also has some CDD report. Police still top corruption list, followed by parliamentarians and judiciary as some general said they encounter. They say in normal practice, which I say. And a national grad and CCT declared strikes over delay in releasing their arrears. According to Ministry of Education, just say 95% of that total sum of Scana Akakamu, act of bad faith on the part of the striking teachers. You be doing come on there and not pay. And President Nana Dango Fado is also advocating for the consumption of Ghana rice. Unya rice, and you demo pa. I'm here to see Obi Auchirimu, be a demo. The question is, you dig Ghana more, and into Ghana more, no boarding, and I'm born a woman, and so you be doing come on and no Farmers Day. Charles Jenkins wins 2019 Best Farmers Award. And before when I be doing come on, now so do the Alpha 0249694152. And now call UTV Ghana Facebook comment section now the aba. Come on, Ninja Makama, any first one, so and wallow. Chris, 1,000 years.
What day we day?
A treaty saying.
Yes, in the air.
When you cool, Nibi.
Oh, sure.
Sickness of the season.
Welcome to
the club.
Oh, thank you very much. I said that, and me.
Usual response and commodity and say, we opposition and say, it is so. Yami, the way in the Anka MPP are buying. We mean
it is not, and yes, usual. Asitinamuya, and I believe as a principal person, where I come from now, Manukwa, me domino. We say things as it is.
And I see the Afro Barometer report to serving in Sobakoba and say, one more say began for you, woman, depa, Manukwa opposition.
Well, I think I will respond to those things. But in the first place, in the first place, Mamindi Kanchia wone Washefo, Wapam for no more Muya Juma, Omodia to have a faith. I mean, she Ghana for Moshe and Kanka NDC4 and the leader of our great party, His Excellency, the former President of the Republic. And the incoming president, John Dramani Mahama, Mami Chiana Anopi, and my chairman of Fosompofo, and the entire national executives, and the senior comrade Kokubahi. Kwame, as someone or a student of research,
and a member of the NDC communication team.
And a member of NDC communication team. I can say, we don't bastardize research work or research report.
Really?
Say a favor. We don't bastardize it. So any research reporter, we analyze it in a critical manner, with a holistic view and ideas before, we go on to comment on it. So, say, Ghana 4G, opposition party D, and now Munini. That is a report. That is a research work by a think tank. The same think tank, SIA research. Report about the ruling government, MPP, Katashisha Proye, Simon Taya Koso, We are aware of it. You know it, and I know it.
Allegations, Nana. To me, evidence is the rule of the game. We are not able to prove it beyond evidential proof.
And that is why I'm saying that for us, we don't bastardize a report. Research work, we don't bastardize it. No, I am saying that we do our thorough checks and analyze it. The holistic approach in the man. What you say? And examination. Report. You see, say research na the report to be bad. You don't look at it in a way that Hano and favor me. Mami concentrate to her. Hano favor me. Let me ignore. Until I say, I was say when you holistic approach to it, then you dealt with the matter with a principle. Ebini say, research. Think tanks here research no amude omo report ba. You sit down and look at it in a practical view. Omusi ABC ekoso ana. Say kaso NDC amanyuko ya research report abese say na ekoso. Wa kasa wo yetemamuni. Upia abonte a na wuti na wo in your own view, your own way, your own opinion, your own pools, research away no, and near think tank na abeye no, efana. Then you take it from there. Like example, what's your more reporter? Almost look, corruption. Kwasoro. In kankai, seat of government, presidency. Almost I can say political vigilantism a see minu menu ya nim haya e chire ho wo den echi nkofo militants bi tutu prepare nkofo e share position ntade yahu militants e pama judge for e bru nkofo tiji nkofo cast here and there. We saw it. Now your honor president say okay say you need twa so intimidate me famra kwanso yen kwa parliament yen fa bill bi nkwoto ho na sa hoodlums are omuhuna nkofo prepare nkofo no yen yu mu mfiri ho ye bi say hu say ye yu mu afiri ho ana enkoso ana. So if you are witnessing this thing eye witness enye say atisam enye yefu yade ade a wo hu na think tank here research na report no eba be boss ade ni so I mean it would take somebody who is hallucinating to be challenging it, or who have taken the title of being a pathological liar who has no shame to defend certain things because nema omuka na ekoso. And then we have political party executives and the ruling party, constituency executives, regional executives, national, who have turned themselves, who have made themselves so powerful. Some have turned themselves as BNI, CID, or whatever, which you don't even know their ranks. That you can just be moving the stop and say for Cabra. This is happening and it has happened. No less than persons but political leaders in the ruling party. Just because they know that the executive president is in support of them. They control executive powers. Until you can say vigilantism.
What evidence which that effect?
Why? Why? Do you need a rocket science to tell you what is happening?
Unless you are telling us, if you are the person
who knew Krumha? Are you as well as we're going to see? Who knew Krumha? Party former appointees. Honorable Ajikum, former local government minister. Obi Ankase so he retired Sojo him and MPP vigilantes, invisible forces, and Kwajinika. Who knew Krumha? Yanji Kofi Adams cast. John Dumelu, a lot of people, even to the extent some business people, or more need anything to do with government out of unwarranted enviness of certain characters. harassing them in the street.
Okay.
Until you can say political vigilantism.
Kwame Ambronya Kwaba. Chairman Kwaba.
Major Sumina.
Bono original chairman of the ruling MPP, Kwame Ambronya Amba, Fido Bekans, and Kwame Tebokodia.
I'm faster than my children.
I'm sorry, no, you're coming in, they come out. I say, Pam Domico Binian, you see.
So, when I'm at it.
Okay.
Kwame, me Kwame Nimno. Is he?
I'm into the chairman.
Yeah, no, I am. I'm happy. Yeah, Kwame Nimno. I think it's a leadership by example. Kwame, and your madam for Aqua Seminia. Nanyamia Buana Manakonia, a position in the ruling party, a regional chairman, on your vice bill. It is if you have a chairman, a leader of a political party in the region, nay, she say our meeting 9 a.m. Na chairman bedroom or 10 hours. Now be say chairman Benny.
You meeting, I see.
You fancy her. As I'm a maker. You are political leader. Or a regional. You see, you can say leader. We have leader. A regional chairman of a not just a political party, a ruling party. Now, in some be here Ghana for. In some be here some mantam for. It was say the political party in charge in government. Mpanyin for share. Na who say na betu to na man kofo hu to mo. Na the leader of that party na was say share na ade be che kwotana na obete na obi say chairman be ni.
Eni bia na obusan the chairman be ni.
Nwa kama sama to ato.
Yeah, into
ato de ato ho.
So
Afro barometer report no. Ade a eda ho.
Interesting question Musan say. Does it guide us? Does it change anything about body politics as a
I am saying that whether it change or not, there's the truth.
Because every now and then it be bad.
Yes, and I'm say, at least and change BBR. People have been named and shamed. The truth is there. They have spoken the truth. And cophobia ye kind of cry. Ye they are not doing in Timo. Thinking that would Timo and any church will kind of cry no. So they have come to buttress the truth of the opposition parties. Not only NDC. They have come to buttress people, the citizens are you can creature a ben sorry I when say Yampemasam, Yanimafa, Intina Yakasano. This research has come to buttress those things to tell you that look, yaka corruption. What way? He became a BBC. He was more than BBC rep. Me Kasama Minka when he paid you. What ha? 2015-16, now we are more than BBC reporter about corruption. Corruption in the street, corruption in bed, corruption everywhere. In the Ghana for Gina, as you say. Sanko for we a bo corruption that will see ya. Not just more BB a year. And they brought them. Today, what are we seeing? Adia na wu yahu campaign. U kasetia. Me ba kwatia. Ubaya. Yeah, we have moved from 50 to 80. Then you ask yourself, and Kwafo we know, do they go by their words? Are they people to be trusted? So clearly, they were shouting out of anger. They were just, they didn't understand why they are in opposition. Until ye dede a jinaso nim ye ndi tro gubel tactics ye ndi tro na ye koso repeat tro no na nkofo mbe jindi se ya pa na ye fatumi ne maye ye di tumi ama o look president Akufo-Addo embo number kura no sa wutie nsamo a woni menu ya chairman mu ka abronye e ka 2015-16 no a one more number no at least corruption they can say what me try 5 NDC 4 years ago NDC 4 years ago and I know he will repeat it unfounded allegations character assassination yan ka sam tun confusion say mudi nangu muni mo ase at the end of the day enkwasi aga show me single look the way and there will be someone say he's in court We are on it. We are investigating them. You were talking as if you have every vivid evidence. Actually, say, President Mama in a pump for no pajagan of force can in What are we seeing today? You have even become masters of corruption. You want corruption because you have found a way that it has been properly been structured for people to be cleared. Corruption, you know, ya trophy for be at siho. I know in the form of a gala, that you bought a tournament. Say you bought, and say the most powerful and the highest corrupt person should leave that trophy. That is what we are seeing today. Is that what Nina Okacha Ghana for? You see, people who cannot stand by their words cannot be trusted.
Finally, no one will see.
The country is going to an abyss now because you are a mistake. At the Asha people, conform we are that for. Conform you cast someone in the show. Conform you say yen tietimo. Conform you say yen conform them yen trumpoa. Conform you de patapa. Contempo da braba koshi sam editing a krumha. And we don't do it that way. And ne unka one. Yen di watamwa. Mpwana echo. Opulence lifestyle of people. Mubani ya humo.
My instance, we can be a dinner term.
Oh, why? It is happening.
Why?
Look, I'm not sure. Even your burun call for you as well as gone. My very good friend, my brother, Chairman, Abronia, was say a rehearsals. Me boy, uncle say me boy. Was say a rehearsals. I made mention that look, politics today, we are doing digital politics, not analog way. My man at here says, look, I made mention. He's more than a brother, not a friend. For what at all will motivate me? That for the sake of politics or political expediency, I will be happy he's beaten. I will be happy he's injured. I will be happy he's put in a corner that is undesirable.
Is that what democracy stands for?
For what at all? But if you hear me making pronouncement, not only him, or be our nini adri, or be our na teacher for, that I will say that I did idea no any cramp rehearsals, a comedies, Papa Ba. I endorse it. I am happy with it. It tells you the belief of people, what they are up to. People who think it is their birthright to be in authority. And I want to tell them, President Akufo-Addo have no any option than to hand over 6 January 2021 because the will of Ghanaian people will show his exit 7th December.
You can only hand over 7th, not on the 6th.
On the 7th, yes. 7th January.
That is
Thank you
after
very much.
The election,
yes. After election, yeah.
When 50% plus 1 vote.
Good one there. And he has no option than to hand over to former President Mama.
Okay, we are waiting.
7th January 2020. Because 2021. Because 2027 December, the will of people will come out, will show their exit.
Okay, Chris Manasi, Chairman. You CDD Anfo Barometer report. And its aftermath matters arising in some Mumba. A whole lot of
Kwame, a second before he comes. I was saying Nipa desa Nibia su Tiase say. Nipa Chambroni. Nipa Chambroni.
Please, you've had your time, please.
We should always, whatever we do,
just allow
young Kai where we come from and where we are going.
You're getting too personal this morning, which is not part of the discussion. Because we don't seem to get what you're heading to. Chairman.
Madasibri. Mamma fa kwanya we na menchia wahwefo babi ofidi kese en kodu. Na let me start by saying say obi asase no me ngofufuo emfo nko obi fie nkwaje nkwan.
And so the batch asase.
Me ngofufuo da e na tama na me nua kresi wa aban mu no. Not the single day. Na misia na katen so ma me peso na me ho kire me.
No personal beef na.
No, nya personal beef me manati ase. Say Barbara boy, not a single day. Na me ka kire no krese say, o ma me taku na dama na mabra bonko yi. O misa na ma bisa na bi da. Ma respect me home from day one. anti me masase ye no bi ntimi nka nchen say masase na me beggar opa kosunwa na bonten eno no wo ho no as far back 2003 na me yusuka bisano eno mo hwe no so nim
yemfa personal
yemfa niam no nto nchen obi asase ye no yakaze ye hye obi asare obi die ba
I believe say he said those
ana nipa to tie nipa to so ni asase ye so ane kyese nye no ye kromfo kromfo na pe ade bi antem
obia wa hyase
ye obia wa hyase nti yakaze asase a yesese nya the understanding of sa kasa no ebia wa hyase ne in a kronon way what you say wa hyase ne in a good way and you know obia ngaze ye hu se me na me tware ne me na mandisi for office say condemn in opposition time I mean yes and I mean ye bi so da me kwa me in my life because me bu me hope me come and no on the CDD report. I think the NDC as a political party the biano said the assemble no my confusion sa na tie CDD report na buy no if CDD report to ba na obi nya kwanya na okasa na say ye wo ruling party nkrofo a omojeje nkrofo kaase ya sa kwa na oka obi aba abeje oka otu obi aba abeje Ghana for na no pay o masora no pa a ono an sam ne fifiri eto ne ka tim na obi aba abeje so obi anya obi aka na mom Ghana ni so a ohwe UTV na no pay eye adwuma na say state institutions ehia cars na so mo kokoto cars no ne say abanse samba na obi fi say ya to abati amenti ko nti mafaka na ayo man dia nti o man ba bia kwame ameno tie se ohun se Ghana de ko wesia usia utumeje eni kwanza ko report ma police uti se Ghana de obi afa kwambone so de kwa ehun hia se obo police amane ansa ese se oyere o gifiri ni pen se constitution no
citizens arrest
okay Article 41 of the 1992 Constitution, duties of a citizen. We have 41 cross F now. Or say to protect and preserve public property and expose and combat misuse and waste of public funds and property. This is John de Maluka. Yaji John de Maluka. Na ye state property a kwame na se obi kokwaje ma state na nya Ghana fo na to zaka nti ye do obi fa me no ka se uko airport police station a ma producers na mfre the commander there. So about 1 month ago, Land Cruiser Ben no Madia Kwakosiwo. The former national organizer and Land Cruiser, you if you go to the airport police station or Maji for Fraka home. It's what you see.
National organizer of Party Ben.
NDC.
Why?
The former national, immediate former national organizer of NDC.
Yeah, Jenny car.
It's what you see. A state car. It's what. Nti no nipa na wakwa akwaje Ghana fo na asam fifiri ato no da car no bedi ho aban aduma ben no ya government car ba bedi no nti obi kokwaje state property the ma state na akrachefo e wo krom ha say obi afa man na de na ode ko no obi agye no you label that one as a corruption sanity corruption as say ya for man na de ko no obi agye wo say corruption and ye ne ente the word corruption no yenyanti ase ye kwaye nim CDD report na omo say amamwo nu nkoyie na say omo kenkan report no na CDD say corruption akosoro never na CDD report no omo ka say corruption ekosoro under Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo asweye onka the exact page of the report onka because this if one can report no na ne oba betena aka se CDD report yanyi ntuma answer na meba honom no CDD report 2016. 2016 report no omo ye no. Omo say we general news 9th August 2016. 70% of Ghanaians believe Ghana is headed in wrong direction. CDD.
2016.
2016. We may tender in evidence. 2016.
ClassFMonline.com.
General News Meboa. 9th August 2016. 70% of Ghanaians say o mine koba bia any your friend say amana afunse amana ya ye den kwa akobo mpu ne mpu. Na se ne sa wo 70% ya na se ne obi confirm to ni na nando dan kwa akofo ado kan 7 January 2017 say me papa mbedi na de wanyama de pa nti se na mamuo ne ye bone sa akokoduru 70% ya na ne 59% say enkoyia mpacho di eneche say improvement abana meboa 59% say call one direction improvement in my from 70 to 59 improvement in my
why is a pass mark
and at the same survey no 51% so omu fi say economy ne yeden ye kwame woman na anim CDD report na wom na sa report we ba ya menu akere say CDD report de ye nyintum no atem omudi omunie omo say CDD for kra de rejoinder by or say NDC attack on us unfortunate CDD where 11th August 2016 the Center for Democratic Development has described as an unfortunate attack on them by the governing National Democratic Congress over its recent survey which portrayed the government in a bad light. Adansi in Nigeria. CDD 2016 mudidi wa matem so amunya credible na tie de adua sarkan where City FM online NDC has cut ties with CDD adua sare member of the governing National Democratic Congress Kwajo Aduasar says his party has cut ties with policy think tank Center for Democratic Development. Our General Secretary Johnson Asidun Katia has already come out to tell Ghanaians that the NDC has ceased to cooperate with anything that CDD is involved in. An explanation have already been given to that. That is what my party position is. He said on City FM News Analysis Program. Adansi ni. CDD for na mo se ne omo kan nokore no. Mo wa bam yesi nya atwema bobo kan yesisuo no. Eno na NDC exhibit. Where former Deputy General Secretary George Lawson or see CDD pre-election survey total nonsense. Adansi ni Kwameje. Total nonsense. Womu survey now, womu debate 2016 ekote. Womu say total nonsense. Mu didi womatem Deputy General Secretary of NDC. Nti ne mu wo opposition ni de ekuo na womu ye survey 2016 ekoti amu no. Amu say omu nye credible no na waba betena because of so opposition kondo power ntino. Wo say ne de omu ye credible. Ne chese anadu boyiri bom torch nkania esisi mapampam.
Na mo MPP muji CDD report ndi.
Me no kasa sisi from day one. MPP see a opposition. See a government. Think tank bia no di survey be against. MPP aban ka say ye buy 100% of Ghanaians and ya do omo nkwan. Na mo ba betena ka say corruption there will report to no say na do aban bon konkwan kire say NDC fo nkenkan. Report no mu no Ebra na do ma wo ho no na report bia ba omosi police fo na di first meboa correct onu antimi tena ase ka se mo first die ni ye me fe ntimi nso me the office of the president in corruption be ba be di first ni bi nti na oni police service
onu kan sa
mpacho adanse enie
oyi
on kasa me de ma office of the president ranked second most corrupt institution in Ghana but Kenkai, where Institute of Economic Affairs. second most corrupt institution in Ghana. Or say there be police for report to no ba allegedly say corruption dey mu defense. Nti me so me for so di bi.
Just a statement in here. You know,
King Canning. Eni wa hemfa. King Canning.
The office of the president.
And I'm saying it is in the story.
From
you are quoting the former president of saying sir.
Pacho all kasano say Nanado danko akofo ado ama corruption ye. And office of the president one year head. No.
Document Adama mean. You were saying that you were quoting what the president said. And
Pacho
on this sheet of
Pacho. But see, office of the president run second most corrupt institution one year head.
And no, but yes, the office of the president can say we have two police for me.
Pacho. Nature say. Adia your friend proye ne katati say ye two ase na mahama nya first wo bedi. Second ne first wo nya.
Sa intention statement ben Okano.
Oh. Ya the survey yaba. Say waso ya wo na ye panyini no. Eba proye ne katahyeha wo to so mienu. Yesi panyini tenafie ne nkrawe nanka ye bu nanka wefo oka ho.
Kwan man tia you. But I no make it sad statement and say na first will be di.
Why they took corruption as say what matter
wait second next report about the president are taking over the police. Second
sir
number statement no can
say statement why necessary okuntia proyen katase or
president of the state
mo
where was that statement made say president say that position I am a friend him person me take you over
enyo fra wo to so second papa proyen katase wo to so second as you have been confirmed no mebwa papa
to so
antibinu no enne so be ni baaye no yes presidency Nanado say sa second position na do mama die kodi ye no me mpantimi dwana afiri ho CDD report say ayi president rank 6 most corrupt institution Afro barometer mpacho current one six position
6 is better than second
more 6 is what better more the second nejai
but still I say
yes masa yenimu nkrofo a presidency near handkofo omo under John Mahama regime. It happens.
It still happen today.
What you say? I bet ma bubodini. Ya bubodina no nso aboni pa baako edini. Corruption wasem. Ewo kuroma. Kwame eba amamuo injena. Enche bia na no me ka asem ofia kwame. Enemu di America ba beba se mu ni CDD for already no. Previous year me di amanya achese mu no omonya adwene. Ni edi kan economy ben na Mahama ka so one na ye ni ye ntima na nado enye abaso bode no. Kwame economy ben a. Nya Ghana economy kuro ye. Ghana economy kuro ye o. Ena omobo na nado abaso se ba bia keka kono o man economy agina ye. Mahama ba abonten be ka so omfa abaso bode no nyeren. Emma no 3 weeks ago 1 month ago. Eyeda bosome ba ku na economy na wo se wo na ye ni ye ntima na nado nya abaso bode no. The same party asana ba abonten say afedi enye because of CDD akanti. Kwame ofa CDD report na e wom say opposition parties say wom full report no. Opposition party any president Ghana for will respect man Nando Danko Akufo-Addo ne MPP 58%. Respect your man for woman opposition parties. And this is the largest political opposition party or man Ghana hano 37%. And to move opposition crowd respect Ghana for ni mamo. I don't know how the among can want them. Yes, one man panini Ghana for Didi or Muwo ni Muonu 58%. Man panini kwa opposition party amomo kan ho bie no mo respect ne trust ya Ghana for woman no 37%. Because of say enema mo ye ya Ghana for ani nye ho. Now let's come to the issues na nkasa. Former President John Dramani Mahama ebra no ye president no fanti akwa really and no kan wo ho say oba 2017 omonto abama no we Thursday 27th October 2016 omonto abama no for the second term na January 2017 no obefa 4,000 youth ama benefited from ya. Former President John Dramani Mahama says the youth employment agencies has been revamped and ready to equip about 4,000 youth in the country with skills. President Mahama explained that this is part of the National Democratic Congress manifesto promises for the 2016 election. Under this, he said, the youth will be employed from every district for 2 years, within which each person will receive a monthly allowance of 300 Ghana cedis. 4,000 youths, but to me, be over more malawa 300 Ghana cedis. A graduate intensive one. Nana Dubai wa 400,000. Until one is a set so. Also, by 4,000 graduate. I'm on my Juma, our youth employment agency. But some over more monthly allowance of 300 Ghana cedis. Nana wa 400,000. But some no or almost 700 Ghana cedis. No, one is say Obuman. Inti economy no, ni mie no, ni afa ni 100,000. Ene nie or say oba a onye ni anim say yazan, eye wagadre, eye 419, eye karabure, eye dargano. Wone no, when atima be economy because wo economy no enya papa nti wo se 4,000 pe na obefa. Ene economy no ya papa nti ya 100,000 ye tue omuka. Asi wo kuro maze. Ekoso nurses adance edi ewom from 2012 to 2016. Sa economy ni a enye ene edi tue omuka. The bad economy wa now de ene ye na wo se ye ma umra biem na wo de ene ye papa chena na ado no wo pen so and that from 2012 to 2016 no mutifie se ede na asie because now we economy ni nyedai enye ntina no mutifie teachers say omo call various universities say omo year education kwam no mutifie aban by through the implementation of the free senior high and double track send year 5 9,400 mboa. Sankofo no mutifi obi wie school. Wo classmate for education, tech, University of Ghana, UCC. No mukita bachelor in education, editifi 9,400. From date back 2011. Economy ben the bad economy sankofo no o mabusuafo nim so no mo disi enya adwuma. Enti o mbepia kwa akoto aba. Enti opposition ne dia wasam na wo ka no ene mo nsam amuka will hand over ne sa ne ma no bia no na na dodan kwa akofo ado nim say Ghana ha ye ni politician bia wo Ghana ha wa subject ne ho to elections China na dodan kwa akofo ado wo bia ka kirem free so man Ghana ebenya afa ahudie 1957 ebesi ne no ye ni politician bia wo ha ye se e bas elections internal ne general elections ya ode ne ho akom da e China na do danko akofo ado
na no how many times how many times
internal any general elections nyina oba internal starting from 1998 waboma for process ni mu waba 2008 waba 2012 waba 26
kwa ya eti sen
am say me kan kwa ko wie say abato de in elections na na dan kwa ko fa yem fa abato huna no na watima deliver magana fo aye de ahu say na World Bank ene Ghana ha aduane a ne mpempenso kofo di jam 2008 na ye agriculture growth aye 8% na NDC Assad 31st December 2016 no mo free so no na agri sector na ye 0.4% ewo kroma kwame
according to report by
according to World Bank report 2016 bo ebeyaba the agri sector growth aye 0.4% enu ntina na kroma na bode mankani banchi near the free Cote d'Ivoire okodomi dwoma yete bode miensan de ma 15 Ghana esi kroma and they go to the same domain market ye wi ametim de nakọ ne yakọ the same market bode duro udura ne ma ne bunkotodwe 5 series fakọ esi ewo kroma ukoye nsunyane ne yempatam bode duro ewo sunyane dwom ne ayi no 5 series ayi kwa ho de utwama ne ye power chew 3 series abibra man be na ogina odi 3 series obenya body ato e de se Ghana ene local rice ya abu afa babia kwam ye hu ni social media e through the planting for food and jobs na abano na manfo nya niema free ne ye de ma omo e na aduane aye den abuo wo kurom ha no oman bia wo economy benya hoden the agric sector eprewuro. That is why Cote d'Ivoire is growing. Now baba chance say corruption ye ka say ye ba chechim krofo atum to say ne ya boa ne ma no the 1992 consumer accuse say corruption MPP ebra ye nya the fourth republic kwame political party bia ni wo so amensanaka or record so na on challenge him on this show. The fourth republic political party bia no when it comes to the fight against corruption we kon atia MPP we kon atia MPP da. One in 1999 based on the Auditor General report wa yenyan led by Dr. Kofi Kurando Apraku ran up to the 2000 elections and the finance committee minority a year press conference and listen crofwa womudin appear Auditor General report to man through corruption. Ye ba mu a ye started 2001 no and this if okro ya mo ka se mba chi enkofo na tuma ba mo nchi omuntum through the court system. Ibrahim Adams, Victor Solomi, Kwam Pepra, Chatuchi Kata, George Sipayanki num nyina mpacha ode na si ye di wo masem e ka tro mo so ma fa o man ni sika wo mo kwa afiase wie ye no and this if one nete militant groups free so and so mo de enkrofo atumi nya ameboa e kire say the fight against corruption ye kan ho asema and this there mo no mo neto party on me one person the fourth republic NDC baye o kan be ka kire say akoye Abuga Pele o ka say so mo di na sem di na tum dia enkrofo be ka obabubo mu din no. The matter was adjourned Sinidai for 3 years. The records are available. Sinidai, it is any date. The matter was adjourned from August 2014 to March 2017. In
4 years.
Mo, and Tikesia, yet to Sinidai 3 good years. Na aban bi ba, ebe resurrect case, you know, and di emamuye hwam. Na se odo mo kwa afiase a wona waye. Now coming back to what Evisa Free Ankra said. O se die nti o mantiman prosecute o mo no because na conflict of interest ye dey ewom because the perpetrators of the Jida issue no mo ye NDC financiers. Mpacho last week man for report na nchero. Mo o se enti na wo mantiman for man kwa afiase no. Enti corruption ho asema mo kan no mo ni hu for. O de no to akwa am wadaroma. And our court, Article 19 of the 1992 Constitution. You can't say corruption. Yes, I check Chris Dugan. No, I handcuff no de Kramanchi Gugun and no de Quafiasi. Near friend fair tra, I say, yeah, Juma. Even though evidence no honum no, yes, if a process in so, court on Kwan, the what 2 years so do be Quafiasi, Ewo Kuroma, and Nuntina saw evidence na ya yeno, ya they call court to say, Maran Constitution is say. Mo NDC for mo na mo de bae ne say mo se mo na mo de bae of which enye nokore no e say bibi sai kwaso ai court nko an na wotumi so betuma aka se obi nko afiase enti afiase asema bama ye do mo kɔ court yi ye wo Ernest Thompson ye wo make Tavenum wo honom ye wo Sedu Agongo wo honom ye wo Sadna Tamakuru wo ho Masrok mobro wa sika yemfa ma omo no filling station allegedly omo che sika ne di filling station allegedly
and say and court
so you are saying it
what you say
say it can be said that way okay.
What you say allegedly say wo yanyam pass fana yi nti allegedly filling station yes and go awa dance na no omo witness no tia utin say akono babasi allegedly onim sika je pa sika yemfa mama mi oti sunwa no dwam domi dwam aboso okan edwam no mfa nton niam kakra na onya adwuma mfa ntua no sa sika no 290 million Ghana chi masrok sika ekọ
sa afeni obi akan ti afeni ni beto
enti no sa sika no kwa du mako omode abo ni nyina documents ya na no company no microfinance omode sika no ma no kwa omo the documents ni kire maame ni say maame o signature ni o say yes my lord and your tender no ma tender womo lawyer no antima oppose a single document.
That's some new way. You can't
Master, documents the office say you fake here. The lawyer know every right in
the fact say do some but when you fake case.
Yeah, some na dead do. Some more bro wasiko. Adom mama was wo dwena 1 minute omo ho a wo see you afa no. Sa nipa na ope come back no. Oba sa nkrofo e na be se na nya post no. Sa nkrofo ya ye du o masem o court a mo say mo nche o mumum. Na asem no so kwaso a mo say corruption ye. O wana menti ase I can't think far. And this is for mo say corruption ye. Na case ni kwaswa no ma hye ma moku akotena court mo kwotena say ho na di
solidarity was about
solidarity and just mo nwe no man no social democrat
and I say the president court je mo
oh please
afei na asem ye di come court nti we talk about no na kwanda ho
as a party no you issue a statement
disclaimer
say corruption asem de court no ni nie ye de doye man ni ebesi bia court no jana wagya no odifo so a wadifo
kwame se wunya ansam na ansam kokko
me da corruption asem de ye chima man pipi mam
ye nchiu ye bo code say why
am say
now party the statement what say kwame ansam a
you how many minutes
ye twi but
3 hours
but no
o kasa be 35 minutes
chama o kasa wonya de go
oh masa
da bi we late
oh yeah da bi o mo ye mistake me ye late ni nye issue me kasa 3 hours o kasa 35 minutes me ma kasa how many minutes
kwame
you should give me a let's
have a doctor
discussion. What you start your personal attack in crime the chair.
Kwame, please.
Personal attack now start your crime the chair, mama ho. Because I'm petam the ayade. Unya who the attack me. Me nyina ba o. Me president dey me nanso hu dey o.
Tell me no difference bi o.
You need difference.
We are sure.
O compare me get.
Me no.
Kwame wo ma me pacho ma me kama se wo wie me wie de
ordinary no be si me
wie de se say o san regulate time kan ho producer
so Kwame ne mundu so je Kwame
ndura mo mfa time
K square
Kwame mo kwakwa to wa ye kan ho asem a ye kan social democrat and this it has been their attitude anya ne edi kan nie say wo mu nipa kwakwa to a yenim court wa wenu na na organize demonstration ayi free church movement Ibrahim Adam movement we na organize what
na mo political party se nyemu nyina sana mo
pacha
ene de MPP ni ko gina court wa
mami case ba kwa ye de MPP ni court corruption ya organize se omunya no
MBS na me nkai
o nkai wa na obe creative
emudi
Kwame Ajetia mboa
no be mo bebre
Kwame Ajetia what you say not that me say medikanaka said the free for the republic here kan eba corruption ya and this year kan mamon kan bi ho asem
my president so corruption cause pa
and I'm say corruption no enye yesi perception o enye yesi
until proven by competent court of jurisdiction
and corruption what
kind of perception are you
come what ya o kan corruption obi age ne pen yeah, what the office of the special prosecutor ye NDC Keda. Me wa. Yeah, be an I or honum. And you are dance here. Sa bronya ye corrupt. What prevents you from officially writing to those institutions? Our only political color. Now what the say? Uba share supersia na tribunity tarachire no they about transfer corruption without providing a solution to what
to me
anti kwa because ya ba ya ye hu say adanse ye bi kire say obi yi niama a wona na ukoyi man free on tuaka because na ye ni aid na yi niama na wo habo free wote ya wo kan corruption ho asem eniama na de facto prime minister His Excellency Ibrahim Ama yin wo habo na ontua no wona na akokre 12 million sa 12 million no Kwame na do ba ye nyi sika but o maame unua na wo techiman ukrom techiman no Chris no die ko bank koje bosia okra niam free Dubai okra niam free China oduru habo ho na the same crofo ye omuntua tax no omukita no nwa no mo kita no kon to say ai krama na chi apra because na chinwi na de ntini weird no afefe nani no mo kitata ni pare mo pay your tax why you can pay your tax na won tua tax esi you cry man you want to come back say yensa no ma memra na Chris mensa no so nyina konkon e madam for pay your tax yeah there we have been exempt from tax kwame ye 1992 constitution no ye won krofo a omo your friends a tax ho asem ba omo ntua bia na meboa nti da ba na Ibrahim ama ba ye president ye ni say president de ni salary ni na allowance ni na yi ni ye nye to mfiri so ba ni nia to say me so have been exempted from tax I win an spearhead.
Okay, my main comment is
120 billion. Yeah, man, some of course are lost will be never.
Well, I know the fact that NDC will only chastise without concrete backing evidence, but on allegation or hearsay. They only try to tarnish the image of the MPP government. Afro Barometer can compare any government or president or future that can be as corrupt or as the NDC. Chris must know that NDC will never come to power. Happy belated birthday to NNC Akumi. And Ghana for the better. Ghana for the better. We say, good morning, Kwame. Why do you allow Abronya to call former president a thief last 2 weeks? Well, I didn't notice that. But no. See, let him retract it, or else we will be forced to call the current president same. Now, two wrongs doesn't make right. They didn't say that. I don't remember saying that.
And see,
let decency be the hallmark of the show. You know, we will not allow people to call president people names, not President Obiasa. AK, good morning to you and your crew. I am Jude from Kwadaso. Please tell our politicians to be serious with us, especially the NDC, because Ghanaians are descending now. Good work done by the government, but we are expecting more to be done. Otherwise, we will vote him out. Kujo Berma Achim Abodomo say, good morning, bro. Good morning. What are the basis of the CDD report? Are they based on factuals or perceptions? Anyway, we the MPP accept it in good faith. I urge the NDC to do likewise, being the untrusted political party in the world, or I'm saying the world in Bachosa, Ghana. Opposition is in deep trouble. I say, the teachers are behaving like incompetent NDC and Mahama. We don't even know what they want because they have no right to blame MPP government over the money Mahama and NDC government decided to pay them in 2014. NDC is worse. And talking about corruption in 2020 campaign will surely based on corrupt and incorruptible competence and incompetence. Visionary and visionless NDC, we will not vote for you. You need 4 more years to learn how to rule the country. I'm Rocky Berema from Alajo, Accra. Mystic inside in Sawamose Adojiri. Nanado should stop blaming John Mahama for his own ineptitude and abysmal performance. After all, the investment Mahama made into the oil industry was large. Nanado wouldn't have formed the glutinous over sizable government ever in the history of the country that will make its way into the world of Guinness Book of Records if John Mahama had not left money in the national coffers. Recklessly borrowing, lip service, corruption, unbearable hardships, insecurity, and blame games has become the order of the day for MPP and Nanado. Nanado fix the problems by regards to people. Was it a?
Okay, insecurity. There's a name for some of the back room.
What did you know?
And you couldn't happen.
Well, you couldn't prove it.
See, on one application to the court.
What's someone can't say?
I don't think we should entertain
you even sit here with watertight evidence.
Let me land. Guilty. Pacho, Chris, Pacho. To Boise. Maybe I won't follow. From one nipa no follow court. For swamp of say, or the application I call court to say. Voice na Attorney General ever tender in evidence. Woman striking out because he was secretly recorded. Pacho, Abasa and voice. I clear admission.
Our court.
Our court.
But that is not a conclusion of the matter.
Listen to what happened to the court to say. On tracking out to net and tracking out to change to an application was refused.
But the court
I'm giving you what is going on.
The court procedure is still in session.
Santi Asemba. Santi Asemba.
Look, Kwame, Umana Kasadudu. Will you please
listen?
Just a minute.
Mena Majima Semba.
Nipani say. I was secretly recorded. That is admission. For the fact that
unfortunately, we don't have to cut this conversation because it's not part of
secretly recording somebody. Admission does not mean that the fellow is saying that they make
corruption is an issue. This
it's a different thing altogether.
No,
when he knows they are guilty of corruption.
Let's move
anti-money shifting go pool.
Oh man,
I want
his party has been very charitable to Ghanaians by shifting from the second position to the 6th position.
Thank you very much. In the first place, SAR report now the bar say, presidency has been second or whatever. No. I mean, look, to print some of these things and...
but the question remains that the presidency is still corrupt.
You don't know that? Maybe Kayamau. For record's sake. When you my joy online, was it half of Ghanaians Ajiatum say corruption.
Headline here, dear Bisaron can have
online. Any fight against corruption, government scored damning marks in latest report.
No.
So damning. Read it, Major Online.
Damn.
Zoom in and conform.
CDD report.
Oh, yes, that CDD report.
Oh, dear, so damning.
That CDD report.
It's never
that you have scored very low, and the report is so damning to this government. Was it more than half? That is about 53%. Say corruption, no, of course, corruption has been increased.
Ministers in the government is corrupt.
That is it.
I have 6 minutes.
Yes, I'm coming. So for my very good friend,
we're done with the corruption.
Yeah, for my very good friend to sit here and create impressions. So, CDD report, NDC for and baby, I say corruption I increase. I am telling you, I'm putting it in here. 53%. The report is there.
The president.
The
president is corrupt.
Baby, you leave it.
Okay, Monday.
You hear no evil, you see no evil. Kwame, I am saying that. He also made unfounded allegations.
Just 3 minutes. Yes, I'm not at 6 minutes.
1 minute, Grandpa. I'll do justice to it. Don't worry. Mami respond to certain unfounded allegations he has made. Wasaka say, and the NDC bastardized CDD report by look ene achichiri musa muni ne mudi bayi
true or false
send ya mujina so amutatu mu ho na CDD report e favor mo na ye muda no you are so embarrassed to tell yourself because you are doing well. Apart from that, when you are questioning the methodology of a think tank researcher, any interest you bastardize it.
Total nonsense.
The NDC was asking.
No, the report was saying.
Oh, listen. We didn't say. I'm saying that NDC and we're questioning the methodology of that research. When you are questioning methodology, it means you are attacking. We were contributing to knowledge. We want to know the methodology. And today,
cut ties with them.
Today, look at it. No, you are saying, who said corruption?
Why are you giving a methodology?
Was it corruption? No?
Were you giving a methodology?
Whether we're giving or not, that was our concern. So for him to create impression, say NDC was
because who can say that with methodology? Then today you come forward to support the same methodology. I mean, say you come to accept the initial.
When you are questioning the methodology, does not mean you are against it. No. When you question the methodology, you base on that. Now, your analysis, then you see how you respond to it. And then I can say, look. Mami make a emphatic statement. What say? Report to baby achira, baby I know why interest corruption across. And I've just put it to him here. You read it for the public to hear. 53% report in read it. Read headline. NDA. Kema TF40.
Fight against corruption. Government scores damning marks in latest report.
Latest 2019 we. And so what say and course now the report. Read it. 53%.
Go on and read it.
Because Ghanaians perceive increase in corruption level, giving government low marks on fighting graft. New Afro-barometer study shows. More than half of Ghanaians, the level of corruption in the country
has or presidency
has increased.
I'll say the country.
Has
increased, and the government is doing a poor job in fighting
corruption.
A new Afro-barometer survey shows.
What's the presidency?
Government is doing poor job. When we talk about government,
your government is.
When we talk about government, President Nana Akufo-Addo, you come. Don't worry. President Nana Akufo-Addo is the leader of the country. So pay government there, the leader of this country. So corruption, who's pretending over it? The report has stated emphatically that President Akufo-Addo is doing poor job at fighting corruption. So what are you talking about? Look, under his watch, corruption, more than half of Ghanaians. I will say from 2017, Edibano, what fast, 2017, within 3 years, Akoso, more than 53%. He make and founded. I told you that these guys, they read with Spencer and Tabo Daso, and they create their own words and their own meaning. What they have? One kind any single report President Mama name was mentioned. It was CDD report more. President John Dramani Mama is this or that. But we heard and saw what you said.
So, that question, you are personalizing the issue. We're talking about the entire government, not a person.
But don't say what I say. President Mama say.
No, let's not personalize it.
No, you don't get. I'm responding to him. What say President Mama say? Police for the me the presidency.
Of which he was not able to.
He made mention of that. Unfounded allegation. And I'm saying that he's not just a common person in the MPP. He's a leader. So if you make this unfounded allegation, it's important. Say, look, for you to have made unfounded allegation, very mean one. Say, Maslow Sika Chichen filling stations. I mean, how can you say this? Look, when you are speaking to our cherished viewers, or you don't say these things. Allegation. Who can say allegation? Adia allegation. Adia any so yanka. When you want to make analysis, who can somewhere and somewhere and Western comforty as we say pape, one in there, one in him day, what kind of cray, one in throw, any other voix. Who can someone who can say when me can say any other way? You don't make that allegation. And then what you have to
assembly court.
In opposition,
and a watch you.
Which Nakre and me to win. Me one jina so say. Invisible forces.
It's not 5 minutes, but me
one jina so say. Invisible forces. Abuja the Krumha. Me one jina so and I have evidence.
It's not an issue for discussion this morning. Kwame Joshua.
Call phone no so sisi. I say oh when jina so call phone.
Me one jina so say. Invisible forces Abuja.
O kasa me mpacho.
Kwame, please.
Judges stay away from court. Where 2011. Ebra ya na nkrofo na ye di o masem no omo so o magya omo nipa 15 no omo ye demonstration court ko attack judges so boy be ya ba graphic online judges stays away from court.
I ain't justifying
into say omo attack ya why no omo ko attack omo nanu ya omo ko kumo bi wa NDC party officer omo ko court no attack ben na course wo judge no kumase abrante no mko bo no tuo omo ho
nobody has been proven guilty so that is another allegation.
Ben wansam ya kwatwe free court you are in kumase nti yedin you are in kumase ya kwatwe no by force of free court to say ya man be NDC court esi wa Sante ready kwame mboa and the host of so ni ma me refer now o say Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
Yes, on education.
Nanado Dankwa, oh please. Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Corruption one homody. And I mean besides say, send the CDD for Kase. The overall year and say corruption one sem presidency no ACs. And I'm mutosu me and you are doing comparison. Or say, Office of the President ranked second most corrupt institution in Ghana. 2015. The Office of the President has been ranked second in the top 10 most corrupt institutions in Ghana. What I say?
Kwame Bafu, I am the regional chairman of the Union MPP. Prince Bilam Dugan, Ekasama, and thank you. Lawyer Stephen Starr, graphic communication, lawyer in church, and I mean, for everything. From a Kwame in the production team, I mean, in Chiram, next time, I sounds one share. And I want to say someone should be doing Kwame Abronia and Chris Bilami Dugan, said, I want to say, I don't want Namibua, Messa, and Shia. Bye bye.